Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another Apple tutorial. And basically in this video, we're going to show you how to record your screen, like a screencast. And we're going to use the application called QuickTime Player, which will either be in your dock here, or if you go to your Finder here and you go to Applications, then if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see it right there. You can drag and add it to your dock, or you can just open it where it sits. So what you're going to do is actually open this up, and sometimes you'll be prompted with the window here. I usually just hit cancel, and you go to File, Screen Recording. So this will allow you to record the screen and select the audio source of the microphone. It could be your laptop's microphone or a plug-in microphone, or you can have no microphone. So once you do that, at the bottom here, you have a choice of entire screen or selection. So if you only want a certain area, you can do that, or you can just do full screen. Then you jump to your options. This is what I do. I usually select desktop, so the file will save to the desktop. Then I'll select a 5-second delay, and I'll select my microphone that I want. Okay. After that, you'll have a camera, so you can click anywhere on the desktop, and after your 5-second delay, it'll start recording. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's your timer at the bottom here. Okay, so it started, and we'll go ahead and move it around so we can see. Blah, 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 we've recorded. And we'll hit stop right here. So because I selected desktop, it'll save it and drop it onto my desktop with a timestamp for the time and date that it was actually recorded. And there it is right now. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'll turn the sound down, but we can basically play it, and you can see that I moved it around. And we recorded an awesome copy of the desktop, really high quality as well. All right, that's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Peace and aloha.